Today we will learn a few MCQ questions from Arms and the Man. The first question is, who delivers the line, "I am not accustomed to being contradicted"? A. Sergius Saranov. B. Captain Blinsky. C. Rana Petkov. D. Major Petkov. The right answer, D. Major Petkov. Let's go for the question now. 2. What is Major Petkov's occupation? A. Soldier. B. Diplomat. C. Businessman. D. Lawyer. The right answer, a soldier. Let's go for the question now. 3. Who says the line, "I am going to marry Loka"? A. Sergius Saranov. B. Captain Blinsky. C. Rana Petkov. D. Nikola. The right answer, a. Sergius Saranov. Let's go for the question now. 4. Who delivers the line, "9 soldiers out of 10 are born fools"? 9. A. Sergius Saranov. B. Captain Blinsky. C. Rana Petkov. D. Major Petkov. The right answer, B. Captain Blinsky. Let's go for the question now. 5. What is the name of Rana's dog? A. Fido. B. Rex. C. Sultan. D. Rover. The right answer, C. Sultan. If you want more questions covering all chapters of West Bengal SSC, subscribe our channel and download our Rector app from Play Store, where you can access more free practice.